What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we nailed another good one. Great chart setups, identifying volume, identifying potential resistance, and exiting before the fail, or fail before the fail. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into the recap on the day. Really good day today. Much like yesterday, we nailed the good one. Yesterday, we nailed INDP, and that was a very nice trade. Today, another nice trade. We took what it gave us. We took what the market gave us because it ended up double topping intraday and coming back down some. There still is potential there because it hasn't broken the low of day. It hasn't even gone down there to the lows as of yet. So there's still a lot of potential there, but it's like I said to the guys, like I always say, we take what the market gives us. We cannot impose our will on the market. I would have loved for this stock to have gone to $50 for my last take profit, but it didn't. So we take what we can get, right? Now, what we'll do here in this video is we're going to go over two of my trades today. I only went 1 for 2, but still nicely in the green because, well, risk management, right? So really nice day. We'll go over the trades. We'll go over my entries, exit stops, my trade plan in its entirety, and why I entered, where I entered, what signals I used, etc. Right? It's a whole educational thing, and I'm gonna go over that with you here. The only thing I ask is that you just watch the video. Give me 5 minutes of your time, watch the video. If you learned something, then smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel. Also, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you traded or any questions you have. I would love to discuss it with you. So feel free to drop those questions in the comment section. Now, before we jump in there, remember there's a 5-day trial to the daytraderchatroom.com, link in the description and comment section, as well as Trade Ideas 15% off coupon code, and the Webull. You download the app, fund the account with $5, and you get free stock. So that's a no-brainer because it's free money. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the recap on the morning. And today, it's like when we started off the morning, one of the very first things I said to you guys was, guys, look, Monday was a good day. I mean, it was a good day, and there was some good movers. Tuesday was rather lackluster, right? And then yesterday I came into the morning and I said to you guys, Monday was pretty hot. Tuesday was lackluster. Will today, being yesterday, Wednesday, be hot or lackluster? And it was hot. So then we came into today, and I said to myself, well, will today be a hot day, or will it be lackluster? Are we going to have that trend? And the reality is, it's kind of like lukewarm, as they say. It's not really that hot. It's not. IRNT, all right. It double topped. It double topped on the daily. It double topped it double topped on the intraday chart here. You see 1 and 2, right? You see 1 and 2 right there. So you double top here, and now you're left with what's going to happen here, and is this going to reset itself? Well, right now it's holding up fairly nicely. This was one of the leading gappers this morning. All right, on the Trade Ideas scanners, there's a link in the description section of this YouTube video and the comment section where you can get my link and a 15% off coupon code just for you. Now, with this one, I was like, I want this one front and center. It's going to be on my watch list. Let me grab the watch list here, and I'll show you what we were watching over at the daytraderchatroom.com. Boom. LPTX, IRNT, TMC, OPAD. Those are the ones that we had on watch this morning. Good day in chat. 100% of traders that voted today are green, so congratulations, guys. Way to go. All right, so those are the ones that we had on watch this morning. So IRNT was my main focus off the bell because I really wanted to see a number of things. I wanted to see big volume to show us that we had potential to shoot up higher, and I wanted to wait for a nice pullback. Obviously, we're up here in the middle of nowhere, so I was looking for some mid-gap type support to kick in, right? So with that said there, what I was looking for was good volume on the way up and decreasing volume on the way down. Now, my first trade was on IRNT. Here, what we had was very simple. Let me show you guys. Let me redraw the fib levels. We have pushed up here, made a new high, right? Let's go back in time. Let's jump in. Let's throw the flux capacitor in here and jump in here in the time machine and go back in time. We push up, new high. Great volume, increasing on the way up, right? There you go. And then we had a pretty drastic pullback. But I got on the mic and I told you guys, this pullback here, small volume. And we got halted right there. I was like, this is weak because it's halted to the downside, but the volume was decreasing. So we were watching this. We were watching TMC around the same time. Look at TMC's action, very similar, right? IRNT, there we go. IRNT is halted. When IRNT resumes off the halt, what do we get? We get a fresh new low. And then we quickly jump right back up to VWAP on a big old increase in volume. So anyone who got short in here, who might have added to their position in here, right, who didn't take profit down here as it was about to halt from their short, was now nervous because they know this thing can move, they know it's a low float, and there's a lot of people watching it, right? So we start to break up a VWAP, and I tell you guys, I'm going to watch this. If we begin to hold this level, I'm going to get long. And right in here in this candle, I came in and got long. My long was at $41.80 with a stop at 40 bucks. Okay, my stop was here at $40, looking, because I figured if we rejected that level and came back down here, we probably would come back down here to test the halt price level. All right, so long from there, and then we quickly start to grind our way higher, all the way to the highs. I started taking profits all the way through the move. So I'm long. Let me grab the alerts here so I can show them to you. Long, 41.80, stop $40 area, taking some profits at 43 on the ask, taking more profits at 44.69. Here was a typo. Corrected take profit 44.26. Then more off at 42.76. Then I got long again a little while later at 42.80 and got stopped out at 41.30. Okay, and I'll show you that next trade now. So we take profits all along the way. I held some, even through here as we pushed new highs, because I was looking for, what was I looking for? I was looking for that big old fat candle that got halted and resumed and pushed to 50 for my last take profit. That's what I was looking for. We didn't get it, right? We didn't get it. We pushed back down here. We kind of double top intraday. We kind of double top right here. And then we push back down here. And we quickly start to hold what? This VWAP 23.6 Fibonacci level on what is considered a decent setup, even though the price action is rather choppy. Why is it a decent setup? Well, because this pullback came in on steadily decreasing volume. So it's not a drastic, oh my God, the world is ending, panic selling. We're just having profit taking take place here. And then we quickly get a quick little jump right in here, giving me kind of a confirmation candle on increase in volume. I get long again. And this time I get long at 42.80 with a stop at $41 area. This candle right here, I did not like at all. I felt like it was all a fake out and a little bit of a bull trap. So I exited at 41.30. I exited at 41.30 because I market ordered out. By the time I was exiting it, we were like at 41.04 on the bid. So by the time I hit it, bang, I got exited at 41.30. Thank you very much. So that's why sometimes market orders are fun. Regardless, when I stop out, I always stop out on market orders. And now, right now, we just gotten into a choppy trade. All right, guys, if we don't get that increase in volume soon, this support zone that it's just been sitting at, eventually it'll give up and you'll get something like that. So it needs to get off this support zone because it's just sitting there. It's super lazy. It's weakening that support zone, just like a trampoline that is in the sun every day. Rain, sun, rain, sun, rain, and sun. Eventually that material gives out and then you go to jump on that trampoline, right? And you go, hey, I'm going to have fun. Nope. And that happens, right? So you'll get a nasty flush with a halt to the downside. And then there's going to be a key point we'll want to see. If that were to happen, right? If that were to happen and we get halted there and we resume here, then nasty. It's over. Party's done, right? But if we resume here and we hold the level, and then quickly get right back above it like we did over here, then this thing will still continue to chop around and trap more shorts. So these are all things you want to think about while you're studying the chart. At the same time that all this was going on, right when I entered IRNT for my first trade of the morning, we were also looking at LIFE, L-I-F-E. And right here, I told you guys, watch for a pullback into this zone here for a break of yesterday's highs, which were right here on the daily. You can see it around 968. And sure enough, that worked out beautifully. Why did that work out? We have a nice calm pullback into 23.6 fib, into VWAP on decreasing volume on a stock that has been on a low volume trend downward, all right? And you get a nice pop, huge volume with continuation. I rather would have traded this one, to be honest, but that's not the one I caught. That was a nice trade right there. Nice push to new highs on big volume right there, which sent it to, again, new highs on even bigger volume. Then we identified a secondary setup, but that one did not want to work. I did not get into that one. So just the 1 for 2 today for me. Took 2 trades, 1 green, 1 red. The green trade larger than the red trade, of course. So nicely in the green because that first trade was a banger. So good day for me today. And more importantly, good day in chat. 100% of traders that voted today are green. So congratulations, guys. Way to go. Shows that you're really putting in that study time and learning the trade. All right, guys, good job today. Well, guys, that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. If you did, remember to smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when I upload my next video. In order to do that, you got to hit the notification bell, so do that as well. Any questions, drop them in the comment section for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.